When it comes to heavy-duty machinery, one of the most critical components is the part that most people never see. This is the fuel injection pump designed for Komatsu's SAA12V140E-3 engine, with compatibility for models 09400-0620, 09400-0621, and 6219-71-1110. For those who operate or maintain Komatsu excavators, this isn't just another replacement part, it's the key to keeping an engine running at peak power and efficiency. Let's start with the basics. A fuel injection pump is essentially the control center for diesel delivery. It regulates both the amount of fuel and the timing of when that fuel enters the combustion chamber. With engines as powerful as the Komatsu SAA12V140E-3, precision isn't optional, it's a requirement. The pump must withstand immense pressure, provide consistent performance, and deliver fuel at exactly the right moment for every cylinder. Without this synchronization, the machine would lose efficiency, burn more fuel than necessary, and eventually suffer costly damage. The engineering of this component is worth talking about. Instead of sleek, consumer-friendly designs, what you'll notice here is pure function. Every detail is built to handle long hours of work in the toughest conditions, construction sites, mining operations, and large-scale excavation projects. The material choices, machining accuracy, and rugged construction reflect one purpose: durability. Machines that run on these pumps don't stop because of rough terrain or extended usage. They keep going because the internal systems are built with components like this one. Compatibility is another strong point. This pump is calibrated for the SAA12V140E-3 engine, a V12 turbocharged diesel known for producing incredible torque and power. Having part numbers 09400-0620, 09400-0621, and 6219-71-1110 covered by this replacement ensures operators can find the right match without confusion. That flexibility matters when downtime could mean an entire project coming to a halt. But what exactly does this pump deliver in terms of performance? First, expect more stable engine operation. An engine with a failing or worn injection pump often shows symptoms like loss of power, inconsistent fuel consumption, rough idling, or thick smoke from the exhaust. By swapping in a properly matched pump, all of that gets corrected. The result is smoother combustion, better throttle response, and most importantly, reliable power output. Another advantage is efficiency. Heavy-duty machinery burns a lot of diesel, and when you're running multiple machines daily, small improvements in efficiency add up to huge cost savings over months and years. With the right injection pump, the fuel-to-power ratio improves significantly. That means less fuel waste, cleaner emissions, and compliance with environmental standards. Durability is something that operators expect, and this pump delivers on that front. It's manufactured to withstand thousands of hours of operation before requiring service. Once installed, you don't have to think about it constantly, it just works in the background, doing its job day after day. This reliability is why Komatsu equipment has earned a reputation for endurance in some of the harshest industries in the world. Now, while the part itself is robust, installation should be done with expertise. Replacing a fuel injection pump isn't like changing a filter or topping off fluids. It requires precise alignment, calibration, and testing. For that reason, professional mechanics or service teams usually handle the process. Once installed correctly, however, the long-term benefits far outweigh the upfront cost and effort. Another aspect that stands out is the versatility across Komatsu applications. By covering multiple part numbers, this replacement fuel injection pump ensures that whether you're working with different revisions of the SAA12V140E-3 engine or specific Komatsu excavator models, you have the right fit. That reduces guesswork and makes sourcing easier for operators.